how to withdraw cash from EBT card. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina. So let's begin. In this video, we are going to talk about how to withdraw cash from an EBT card. You can use the following steps to withdraw cash from EBT card. The first is to use an ATM. Most ATMs accepts EBT card. To use an ATM to withdraw cash from your EBT card, what you have to do is just insert your card and enter your PIN code. Then select the amount you want to withdraw. Remember that some ATM machines charges some amount of money for that service. So next option is to withdraw it from a POS at a store that has a guest logo, so that should be free there. To do so, go to any store and give your EBT card. They will put it in the POS machine and select the amount you want to withdraw, or tell the cashier the amount you want to withdraw. The cashier will give you a receipt for it. Make sure to save the receipt you get from POS or ATM for future purpose. So yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.